Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about CISO or Chief Information Security Officer. So what is a CISO? CISO or Chief Information Security Officer is a senior level executive within an organization. They are responsible for establishing and maintaining the enterprise vision, strategy, and program to ensure information assets and technology are adequately protected. They respond to incidents, establishing appropriate standards and control. They manage security technologies and direct establishment and implementation of policies and procedures. A CISO or Chief Information Security Officer is responsible for the security of an organization. They are expected to know everything about the organization better than other people. They are expected to know about business processes, IT processes, and all technologies. CISO is a direct staff in identifying, developing, implementing, and maintaining processes across the enterprise to reduce information and information technology risk. Responsibilities of a Chief Information Security Officer. First is Computer Emergency Response Team. They are an expert group that handles security incidents. Second is Computer Security Incident Response Team. They are responsible for identifying and controlling incidents. The third is Cybersecurity Disaster Recovery. Securing, replicating, and backing up critical data and workloads to secondary locations or multiple platforms. Fourth, Access Management Information. They protect and control access to organization, data, and resources. Next is Privacy Information. They collecting and dissemination of data technology. Six is Regulatory Compliance Information. They adhere laws, regulations, standards, and other rules. Risk Management Information, an IS property, values, claims, policies, and exposure. Next is Security Information. They protect sensitive information from unauthorized activities. Insurance Information, technology errors that can help pay for any errors. Next is Security Operations, the breakdown of organization and cultural barriers. It eliminates efficiency and conflicts. Technology Control. They control, regulate, monitor, collect data, communicate, and diagnose. Lastly is the Digital Forensics. They identify, acquire, processing, analyzing, and reporting the data stored electronically. The Chief Information Security Officer's roles are conducting employee security awareness training. Second is choosing and purchasing security products from vendor. Ensuring the company's data privacy secure. Managing the computer security incident response team. Conducting electronic discovery and digital forensic investigations. And lastly, they're developing cyber resiliency and disaster recovery plans.
In continuation of our topic, Chief Information Security Officer or the CISO, in this part, I'm going to discuss what does a CISO do, what is or are the required education and experience needed to be a CISO, and what is the salary and career outlook of a CISO. First, what does a CISO do? CISO responds to data breaches and other security incidents. The CISO is tasked with anticipating, assessing, and actively managing new and potential cyber threats. Dito, they have yung what we call incident response plan, which is yung ginagamit nila in responding to data breaches and other security incidents. They are tasked with anticipating or yung pag-expect or pag-predict. Sila yung gumagawa nun, pati yung pag-assess and yung pag-manage ng mga threats na maaari nilang ma-encounter, yung mga threats na currently na-encounter nila, and yung mga threats na ma-encounter pa lang nila in the future. CISO must work with other executives across different departments to align security initiatives with broader business objectives. Yan, kinakailangan na magkaroon ang CISO ng communication sa ibang mga departments nang sa ganun ay malaman nila or mapagplanuhan nila, makagawa sila ng mga steps kung paano nila maproprotektahan or masisecure yung mga information nila and other resources na kinakailangan para sa kanilang business. Lastly, CISOs does mitigate. Sila yung responsible sa pag-mitigate or yung paglalasan ng mga security risks na maaaring maka-affect sa organizations nila, sa missions and goals ng kanilang organization. Next, what are the required education and experience to be a CISO? Becoming a successful CISO requires a combination of education, experience, and skills. So, hindi lang siya pwedeng education lang, hindi siya pwedeng experience lang, and hindi siya pwedeng skills lang. Kailangan present itong tatlong ito. A bachelor's degree in cybersecurity, cyber and information technology, computer science, or related fields are also a must. So, kailangan kasi meron kang strong foundation kapag naging CISO ka. Kailangan meron kang exposure na sa mga fields na to bago ka pa pumasok bilang isang CISO. Dahil sobrang bigat nitong trabaho mo to. Most CISO positions will require more than 10 years of experience in mid to senior level IT security roles as well as have experience managing employees. Kinakailangan dito kasi ng strong leadership and management. Very crucial itong mga ito. Kaya kailangan meron siyang sapat na experience. Nang sa ganun ay ma-lead niya yung team effectively, makapag-communicate siya sa kanyang mga stakeholders properly, mapa-technical man or non-technical ang mga ito, and nang sa ganun ay makagawa siya ng mga strategic decisions na kinakailangan para sa organization. CISOs typically have relevant certifications such as those from the Information Systems Audit and Control Association, ISACA, International Information System Security Certification Consortium, or ISC2, and the Computing Technology Industry Association, or CompTIA. In addition, successful CISOs often obtain relevant certifications such as Certified Information Systems Security Professional, or the CISSP, or the CompTIA Security Plus credentials, which can bolster qualifications and demonstrate a commitment to continuing education. Ayan, these are some of those relevant certifications na kinakailangan or yung mga nakukuha typically ng mga CISOs natin. Ayan. Lastly, yung salary and career outlook of a CISO. Because of the expertise required and the importance of the job. Ayan, dahil nga very crucial ang job na to para sa isang organization. Napaka-importante niya. CISOs command some of the highest salaries in IT and cybersecurity. Salaries typically range from 150,000 to 250,000 or more, with location, industry, and experience factoring heavily. Ayan. So, sila yung mga isa siguro sa mga pinakamataas ang sahod sa lahat ng mga works dahil nga very crucial ang pagiging CISO. And nasabi ni Sir dati na the more broad or the harder the work, ganon, mas mataas yung pay nila. And yan, for example, sa US kasi yung average na salary ng mga CISOs, depending sa group or yung metrics nila, yung average na range was between $149,000 to $240,000 USD per year in 2023. So, diba? How big that is. So, ayan. Diyan na nag-end yung aking topic. Thank you so much.